What's going on, guys? Blazing Tech. Really excited to bring you guys this unboxing video of probably one of the most exciting mods that I've got for my NBMX5. This is from a lovely company called BlackVeil. So you can see BlackVeil Productions. And this is a shift knob. That is super cool, guys. It's been packaged very, very nicely. Oh yeah, guys, I mean this is packaged extremely nicely. Alright, let's get all this wrapping out of the way. Here it is. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, guys, been waiting such a long time for this knob. Extremely lovely. If you can see that, I'll get better lighting so you can see the pattern. But this, guys, I've been waiting a while for this. This is such a beautiful product. This is from BlackVeil Productions. I went ahead and spoke with the owner and he commissioned me a shift knob for my NBMX5. And the best thing about this product, guys, is that it is absolutely all natural wood. And then as you can see here, I've got my shift pattern, my 6-speed shift pattern for my NBMX5. Now, if you can find a great shift knob with the pattern intact, you're hard pressed to do that nowadays. And this thing is just, oh my goodness, guys, look at how beautiful this is. This is an amazing product. This is just a quick unboxing. Super excited to do more content with this knob. But guys, this is just incredible. Look at how beautiful this is. This is his Nardi Teardrop Homage knob. And guys, I'm super impressed with this. This is beautiful. Look at how full that wood is. That's gorgeous. And guys, let's just not beat around the bush. This is the Nardi shift knob Homage from BlackVeil Productions. And as you can see here, this is the shift knob that I really wanted to reproduce and have another example of this knob, just because my shift knob is, the pattern is intact, as you can see here. This is a beautiful knob, guys. This is an absolutely gorgeous knob that I wish was easier for people to get a hold of if you wanted one. But yeah, and then you get this guy right here, the BlackVeil Productions Homage knob that, oh my goodness, I mean, pound for pound, I mean, look at the quality here, guys. This is super duper nice. And if this is what you're after, you know, very, very close, extremely close. This is BlackVeil's new website. As you can see here, I'll link this down below in the description. You can take a look at all of their products. The product that I was showcasing here is the classic shift knob, subject to name change. As you can see, you can spec it out in a lot of different iterations. I'm going to be putting this shift knob in my 2001 SE very shortly, so you can kind of see what that looks like in that special edition. And then also, obviously you can get an idea of the color. I would recommend, if you have any questions about these products, to go ahead and contact the owner. As you can see here, there's a newsletter. This website is brand new, and I've had nothing but positive experiences contacting the company, speaking with the owner, and I would vouch for them 110%. But as you can see here, here's the classic shift knob that we're talking about.